The Kumbhalgarh Fort Wall, ranked world's second longest continuous wall, is located in which state? Correct answer is option C, Rajasthan. India has implemented the reloss agreement with which country? Correct answer is option A, Russia. Which state launched India's first dedicated cabinet level artificial intelligence portfolio? Correct answer is option C, Kerala. The first Khelo India Tribal Games 2026 were organized in which state? Correct answer is option A, Chhattisgarh. Who has been appointed as the new director of Intelligence Bureau? Correct answer is option B, Mahesh Dikshit. The Saral AI platform was developed by the Anusandhan National Research Foundation in collaboration with which institute? Correct answer is option D, Triple IT Hyderabad. Which country has set a target to completely phase out fossil fuels by 2050? Correct answer is option C, France. Which state launched the Shramitra mobile app to connect laborers and employers? Correct answer is option B, Haryana. Where was the Atal Innovation Mission Samvad organized? Correct answer is option C, New Delhi. According to the Forbes 40 Under 40 report, which Indian is among the world's top self-made billionaires under 40? Correct answer is option D, Nikhil Kamath. PM Swanidhi scheme completed 6 years under which union ministry? Correct answer is option C, Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. Which football club won the UEFA Champions League 2026 title? Correct answer is option B, Paris Saint-Germain. Project Him Sarovar was launched in which union territory? Correct answer is option B, Ladakh. Which team has won the IPL 2026 title? Correct answer is option B, Royal Challengers Bangalore. Where did Defence Minister Rajnath Singh inaugurate the Open Air Naval Museum Nausena Shaurya Vatika? Correct answer is option B, Lucknow. Which Indian cricketer was named the leading women's cricketer in the world by Wisden Cricketers Almanac 2026? Correct answer is option B, Dipti Sharma. The Chapchar Koot festival is celebrated in which Indian state? Correct answer is option C, Mizoram. Where was Samvad 2026 National Cyber Security Conference organized? Correct answer is option B, Goa. Which Indian company secured a US license to resume crude oil imports from Venezuela? Correct answer is option D, Reliance Industries. Which union minister dedicated the Ummeed network to the nation? Correct answer is option B, Dr. Jitendra Singh. The 4th World Ocean Science Congress 2026 was organized in which state? Correct answer is option C, Goa. Who has been appointed as the new vice chairman of Niti Aayog in April 2026? Correct answer is option C, Ashok Kumar Lahiri. Which postal circle released commemorative stamps on ISRO's achievements and the Gaganyaan mission? Correct answer is option B, Karnataka Postal Circle. Who among the following from India won the Whiteley Awards in 2026? Correct answer is option A, Parveen Sheikh and Dr. Barkha Subba. Asia's longest 12-kilometer elevated wildlife corridor passes through which national park and tiger reserve? Correct answer is option B, Rajaji National Park. Which country launched Operation Nasr against Israel in June 2026? Correct answer is option C, Iran. Madhya Pradesh partnered with which company for AI-powered crowd management at Sinhast Kumbh 2028? Correct answer is option D. Google Cloud India. Who launched the mascots Pragati and Vikas for Census 2027? Correct answer is option B. Amit Shah. Where was the 10th National Summit on Innovation and Inclusivity 2026 inaugurated? Correct answer is option C. Chandigarh. Where was the first indigenously designed next generation offshore petrol vessel Sanghamitra launched? Correct answer is option B. Kolkata. In May 2026, India's Hajj mission won two prestigious Labbaitum Awards in which country? Correct answer is option B. Saudi Arabia. Who is the author of the book The Book of Daily Brilliance 11 Days to Transformation? Correct answer is option D. Pamela Pooja Kirpalani. Which country topped the medal tally at the first World Yogasan Championship 2026 held in Ahmedabad? Correct answer is option B. India. Which police unit became the first in India to introduce an AI-based multilingual feature in its Namma 112 emergency helpline? Correct answer is option C. Bengaluru Police. How many medals did India win at the 11th Sanda World Cup 2026? Correct answer is option B. 5. CDAC Hyderabad launched the eSafer Cyber Security Awareness Program in collaboration with which organization? Correct answer is option B. Reliance Foundation. Who has become India's new Chief of Defence Staff? Correct answer is option A. General N.S. Raja Subramani. India signed a $629 million BrahMos missile export agreement with which country? Correct answer is option B. Vietnam. Who won the women's title at the Asian Individual Chess Championship 2026? Correct answer is option C. Savita Shri Bhaskar. Where will India's first commercial seaplane airline by Skyhope Aviation be launched? Correct answer is option A. Lakshadweep Island. RBI permanently cancelled the banking license of which payments bank in April 2026? Correct answer is option C. Paytm Payments Bank. Where was India's first indigenously developed Suryastra guided rocket system successfully tested? Correct answer is option C. Chandipur, Odisha. Which Indian company secured a $70 million marine services contract for Argentina's first LNG export project? Correct answer is option B. Adani Ports. Which state secured the top position nationally in organ donation in India for the year 2025? Correct answer is option C. Tamil Nadu. Which country became the 33rd nation in the world to generate electricity using nuclear power? Correct answer is option B. Bangladesh. Which state launched the Stri Ride initiative for women's safety and mobility? Correct answer is option C. Telangana. Which 14-year-old Indian chess player earned the international master title after 3 noms in just 5 weeks? Correct answer is option D. Apar Saxena. When is World Thalassemia Day observed? Correct answer is option A. 8th May. Which countries are jointly hosting the 23rd FIFA World Cup in 2026? Correct answer is option B. USA, Mexico and Canada. The 41st annual joint military exercise Balikatan 2026 was conducted between which two countries? Correct answer is option D. USA and Philippines. India and which country jointly declared 2027 as the Year of Culture and Tourism? Correct answer is option B. Italy. Who received the prestigious Professor M.S. Swaminathan Award 2026? Correct answer is option B, Dr. C.H. Srinivas Rao. Thanya Sainathan became the first visually impaired woman judge of which state? Correct answer is option D, Kerala. At which event did Manu Bhakar win a silver medal at the Asian Shooting Championship 2026? Correct answer is option D, 25-meter pistol. Where was India's first petroglyph conservation park established? Correct answer is option D, Leh Ladakh. Who won the Femina Miss India World 2026 title? Correct answer is option A, Sadhvi Satish Sail. The Chita Andolan protesting the Ken-Betwa river linking project was launched in which state? Correct answer is option C, Madhya Pradesh. Which Indian actor was included in the Time 100 Most Influential People list 2026? Correct answer is option C, Ranbir Kapoor. Which platform won the Silver Award at the National Awards for E-Governance 2026? Correct answer is option B, E-Jagrati. India's first AI-enabled hyperscale data center will be established in which state? Correct answer is option D, Gujarat. According to the Delimitation Bill 2026, the proposed strength of the Lok Sabha is? Correct answer is option C, 850. What is the name of India's first dedicated nuclear missile tracking and maritime surveillance ship deployed in the Arabian Sea? Correct answer is option C, INS Dhruv. Who won the FIDE Women's Candidates Tournament 2026 held in Cyprus? Correct answer is option D, Vaishali Ramesh Babu. In which state did the Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurate the Shri Guru Bhairavakya temple? Correct answer is option C, Karnataka. Which death anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan was observed on 17th April 2026? Correct answer is option C, 51st. Who received the Banker of the Year Award 2026? Correct answer is option B, K. Satyanarayan Raju. Which country became India's largest trading partner in financial year 2025-26? Correct answer is option A, China. Who received the WWF Machli National Award 2026? Correct answer is option C, Anita Chaudhary. The nationwide Nari Shakti Yuva Sansad was organized by which ministry? Correct answer is option A, Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports. Who received the Wisden Trophy 2026 for outstanding cricket performance? Correct answer is option C, Shubman Gill. Who will receive the Saraswati Samman 2025? Correct answer is option A, Ram Kumar Mukhopadhyay. What was India's rank in the Global Peace Index 2026 released by the Institute for Economics and Peace? Correct answer is option D, 127th. Who won the ICC Men's T20 World Cup 2026? Correct answer is option A, India. Which state government launched India's first driverless pod taxi project in April 2026? Correct answer is option C, Maharashtra. Who was appointed as the 18th Chief Minister of Karnataka? Correct answer is option A, D.K. Shivakumar. Which team has won the Ranji Trophy 2025-26? Correct answer is option C, Jammu and Kashmir. Who became the first brand ambassador of Jindal Stainless? Correct answer is option B, Ranveer Singh. Which country is building the world's first permanent nuclear waste repository? Correct answer is option B, Finland. Under budget 2026-27, how many archaeological sites will be developed? Correct answer is option C, 15. Who became the first fast bowler to take 200 wickets in IPL history? Correct answer is option D, Bhuvneshwar Kumar. Who was appointed Chairman and Managing Director of Steel Authority of India Limited in May 2026? Correct answer is option D, Ashok Kumar Panda. World Health Day is observed every year on. Right answer is option D, 7th April. Sepah Jilla Panchayat, awarded India's best district panchayat, is located in which state? Correct answer is option A, Tripura. Who was selected for the 60th Gyanpith Award for the year 2025? Correct answer is option B, R. Veramuthu. Which team defeated Delhi Capitals to win the Women's Premier League 2026 title? Correct answer is option C, Royal Challengers Bengaluru. Who was appointed as the 51st Vice Chief of the Indian Air Force? Correct answer is option B, Ashutosh Dikshit. Which film won the Best Picture award at the Oscars 2026? Correct answer is option C, One Battle After Another. The opening ceremony of the 23rd FIFA World Cup 2026 was held in. Correct answer is option D, Mexico. Who was named Best Male Athlete of the Year at the Indian Athletics Awards 2025? Correct answer is option B, Neeraj Chopra. Who received the Female Athlete of the Year Award 2025? Correct answer is option C, Parul Chaudhary. Who became the first Indian origin physicist to win the Wolf Prize in Physics? Correct answer is option C, Jainendra K. Jain. Who received Slovakia's highest national award, the Order of the White Double Cross, during his visit to Bratislava? Correct answer is option B, Narendra Modi. Who became the first Indian to win the Russia Grand Sandmaster Cup 2026? Correct answer is option B, Sudarshan Patnaik. Which initiative won the Gold Award at the National E-Governance Awards 2026? Correct answer is option C, Panchayat Advancement Index. Which initiative received a Guinness World Records title for highest online quiz participation in 1 week? Correct answer is option B, Mera Yuva Bharat. Who was awarded the 2026 Princess of Asturias Award for Sports? Correct answer is option C, Lionel Messi. Who was recognized as a UN FAO Soil Farmer Hero? Correct answer is option B, Velluvan. Which award was won by Indian teenagers Vivan Chowchadiya, Ariana Agarwal and Abhyana Mehta? Correct answer is option B, Earth Prize 2026. Which young scientist from Assam received the University Innovator Award in the United States? Correct answer is option B, Shekhar Suman Bora. In which city was the SCO Defense Ministers Meeting 2026 held? Correct answer is option B, Bishkek. The last question is, which country hosted the 52nd G7 summit in June 2026? Right answer is option A, France. So friends, that's all in today's video. Today's question for you: which state launched India's first dedicated cabinet level artificial intelligence portfolio? The question number second is, which country hosted the 52nd G7 summit in June 2026? So friends, share the answer in the comment box and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.